Okay, guys, you're going to write English at the top of your page, and you're going to write past participle form at the top of your page. So you're going to write English and then write past participle form. Now let's get ready to do this. We have spoken of this problem before. Now let's do this one. No one could have, it's the wrong thing, we want to use this. No one could have known. So here your next one is known. So number 1, please write known. Number 2, none of us would have thought this could have ever happened. Thought. Thought. So I hope you wrote thought in there. Next, we could not have predicted. Why did that not write? Predicted. I wonder if I could change this color. Anyway, it was as if lightning had striked. It was as if lightning had struck. So see how it can be a little tricky? The problem should have never arisen. Some people may have chose to say arose. I believe it's arisen. Now let me see if we have an answer key here. We do. Arisen. Okay, number 6 is seen and 7 is done. But we would have seen it coming. Someone could have done something. Maybe I could have found a solution. Mom could have asked. See how we're changing it to the past tense? My brother could have gone. He could have gotten. I'm not sure if it's gotten. That's number 11. Let's go take a peek at number 11. Yeah, so you see here number 11 is gotten. So let's check our answers up to number 11. Number 1, known. 2, thought. 3, predicted. 4, struck. 5, arisen. 6, seen. 7, done. 8, found. 9, asked. 10, gone. 11, gotten. And now we're going to do 12, 13. So let's come back up here to 12. He could have brought. I should have gone with him and chose. Was it chose or chosen? I have a feeling it's chosen. Chosen. It is chosen. So let me fix mine to chosen. And also move it up there. I could have chosen. But in the end, no one had given any thought to stopping it from happening. That is why we have now ran out of ice cream. So this whole story is about running out of ice cream. Let's take a look at your answers. And is this... Oh, I put ran out of ice cream, and it's why we have run out of ice cream. So the teacher actually has a mistake. Run. Okay, so check your answers. Make sure you're right. Known, thought, predicted, struck, arisen, seen, done, found, asked, gone, gotten, brought, chosen, given, and run. If that's what you have, you've done great. If not, you need to go back and rethink this sheet. And there they all are. There's all their answers. Numbers 1 through 12. Great job, guys. So for most of you,